Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up undo mail settings into Proton Mail. So if you are looking for this kind of content, this video is just for you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, firstly you have to open your Proton Mail application. After opening the Proton Mail, you have to go into the All Settings from the Settings tab. Now, after going into the All Setting tab, you will get this message and composing setting option into Proton Mail setting option. Click into that message and composing and then scroll down to the bottom. Then you will see this composing setting into here. And from here, you can see the undo send option into the last of the composing settings. Now, you can set the timer for undo send into these 4 different timers. You can choose any of the options that is suitable for you. I'm choosing 20 seconds into here. After doing that, your preference will automatically be saved. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change the undo send timer into your Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.